Happy Sunday and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna work on this Gothic inspired Halloween nail art design. Let's get started by applying a base coat on each nail. Then cover the entire nail with a black polish. I added 2 coats. Next, I added a black glittery polish. If you don't have such a shade, just skip this step. So for applying the pearls, you either can apply a slow drying top coat or a nail glue. Of course, a nail glue will help secure them a little better. If you decide to work with a nail glue, just add it on the places needed and not on the whole nail as I did with the top coat. When you're happy with your cross, add some micro beads like shown. On this nail, I'm going to show you how you can easily achieve some dripping blood nails. Drag the polish up to the tip of the nail using a dotting tool. As you're dragging up the nail polish, make sure to lift the dotting tool a little bit to get the thinner line. To fill in the tip of the nail, work with the nail polish brush itself and a striping brush. Add a second coat and this design is also done. So I really need to thin out my top coat, I noticed, but anyways, apply a top coat and do apply a generous amount, and if you can, more than 1 coat. Here's the finished look and I hope you like it. As for the 3D items we secured on the nail, of course it's not gonna last as long as if you would work with acrylic or gel. But if you add more than 1 coat of top coat, chances are that it will last you for about a week, depending on several factors like how heavily you need to use your hands and how well you secured it. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you'd like to see one more Halloween tutorial. And also, I have filmed so many Halloween inspired nail art designs in the past, so I'm gonna link you the playlist in the description box below, and you can also click here and it will take you to the playlist. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!